Hello everyone, welcome to a class time. Dear friends, today in this video we are going to see how to make a report card. Report card is only for the individual person. Okay, and for that purpose, all that we need to do, first let us try to give the name for the report card. We shall generally the name is given as a report card or progress card, and we shall give it as that way. So to do that, from home, let us click in insert tab. Okay, this is insert tab, and here we have word art. From here we click and choose any of the designs. I have selected this. Okay, here it is available, your text here. So let us give the name as report report card. Okay, this, and to make it either bigger or smaller, no? What we can do is, here in the boundary line, what you see, this is with the dots. Okay, just give a click here in the boundary line. Now it is getting selected. After that, we can click in home tab if it is not selected. Then from here, font size, from font size we can either increase the size or decrease the size of it. Okay, so see, we this way. If not, from here, from this a letter A that is given here, from here also we can, by clicking here, either we can increase or decrease it. Okay, fine. This somewhat decreases, so this is the size. It has come to 32. Okay, fine. Now clicking here, drag it up and place wherever you want. Fine. So this is the report card heading we have given. After writing this report card, okay, now we shall, as I had shown you you all in the class, to enter with the subjects, to start with the subjects. As for the student's name individually, I had not told, so here also I won't be telling it. So let us write the subject first. Okay, uh, subject. Then next option we give as half yearly examination, half yearly, and next we give as an annual. Okay, then last we give as remark. See friends, this is not the exact format for the report card. Okay, just for your exam oriented purpose. Okay, just for the exam, the practical purpose, the method I had told you all, or the way that you should make, that I had told in the class, just to help you out, the same thing for your convenience sake, no? I'm making it this way. Okay, so subject, let us give English. English, then go to Hindi. Hindi, then we shall go to science. Then we go to maths. Okay, okay, this means subject as for now. Then I will write total. Total, that is how much marks will be coming. Now, after doing this, simply we can enter the marks. Just put 65, 65, 45, 70. Okay, sorry, total we should not enter. Total we have to do it. And next we enter the annual marks also. Okay. Alright. Now, what I have told you. Your remark column, you'll have to widen it a bit. So for widening sake, you select the column, come here, see your cursor symbol is changing here. Okay, you give a left click and drag it to make it wide. All right, this must be sufficient. Now we click here. What shall we click? Assuming that this person is getting passing it, we write promoted to class, whichever class. I'm giving it here as class 8. Okay, promoted to class 8, simple, assuming that the student is in class 7. Okay. All right, now totaling, yeah? Totaling, to do the totaling, simply give a click here. Okay, and select the whole thing up to total house. Then to your right corner in the home tab, no, home tab, to the right corner you will see auto sum. Some places this auto sum mode won't be there, only this reverse M will be seen. So just enough to click there, and the whole thing will be totaled or calculated. Okay, same thing can be done for this annual exam also. Just select the whole thing up to total. In the home tab, go to auto sum, this M here, and click there. Okay, so see, formula wise I'm not teaching you here, only just by clicking there I'm teaching you. Okay, fine. Now what you need to do is, now we need to go for all border. Okay, before you go for all border, let us go for coloring. So suppose I want this subject, annual exam, and remark to be colored. So I give a selection to it. Okay, I select it, click in home tab. Then here you see font color. Okay, you click here and whichever color you want according to your choice. Now, so to make it visible, let's take the red color one. Okay, so this way you can give the font color. Okay, now let us go for bordering. So first I want to border this whole thing. Okay, report card I am excluding. Okay, I'm putting out. After selecting in the home tab again, come to this bottom border and go for all border. You click and your whole thing is getting bordered. Now we need to click select the report one also. So all border. We select the whole thing now. Once again we go to bottom border, all border. Then we go to thick border, and now you see the whole thing is getting bordered up. Okay, so this way we can create the report card. Now dear friends, in case when you create now, when you create, if your report card is in this side, in the sideways, and you want to bring it in the center, all that you need to do is just select one column, give a right click and insert. One column will get inserted and the your report card will be moving either to the left side or to the right side. Okay, according to your cursor's position. You want to bring it down, take it to the row side, select it. Okay, give a right click and insert. This part I had already shown you people earlier also. Okay, so this is how we make the report card presentation. Hope you all have understood the video, okay, the explanation, and I believe you will do better in your examination. Best wishes for the exam. Thank you.